Hello YouTube and welcome from my boiler room. I wasn't planning to make a video today, but then some stuff turned up in the post and I felt a sudden urge to show off what I got. And well, I'll start by lighting my pipe. As I said in the previous video, I bought a Zippo lighter. And it arrived here today, but I've also bought some tobacco, and I didn't mention that. I made a video about the Mick McQuaid plug, and on Friday I got the Mick McQuaid plug on Thursday. I smoked it Thursday evening and Friday morning. On Friday morning I decided that this was good stuff. I wanted more of it, especially since it was discontinued. So I jumped on my computer and I ordered some more. And this was Friday and it arrived here today. So they were really fast at James Fox in Dublin. Things aren't going that well with the lighting. So I'll start off with the tobacco. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 pouches of Mick McQuaid plug. So I'm set for a while now. And while I'm excited about the tobacco, I'm actually more excited about the Zippo. Because I like to be personal. I like to personalize stuff. So I bought it from a Swedish company that's called getpersonal.se, and they sell Zippo lighters and they engrave them. And I just didn't get my name on it. I actually got my picture on it. I don't know if you can see it. I'll move the camera. And that's supposed to be me in profile. I'll put in a photo at the end of the video so you can get a proper picture of it. I think we're set now, and I filled the Zippo. So time for the very first strike. I've never used the Zippo before, so I hope I don't make any mistakes. seems to be working fine. And what I did to get a picture today for them to engrave was that I took a photo of me with a pipe, and in the computer I turned it into a pencil drawing, and then I erased everything except the lines that made up my silhouette, and I sent that as a JPEG file to the company. And they were really fast as well. I ordered it late Thursday evening and it got here today. So I'm really upbeat today. So I have a tendency to make long videos, I've discovered. So I'll call it a day here, and thanks for watching. Take care. See you.